Oh my god, look at little Cassius. Oh my god. Cassius and Casey are Cassius and Casey, that's cute. Cassius and Casey are laying in bed, so don't mind them in the background. He looks so cute, oh my god. Man. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the first time in months. Literally, it's been a hot minute. Sorry if I keep turning around. Casey's back there laying in bed with Cassius, so I feel like I'm talking to them or something. So today the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Collab Vault palettes launched. I woke up early. Okay, I hate waking up early. I don't have to be at work until like 7:30 to between 7:30 and 8 o'clock. But the only Ulta in town is up, like all the way up on, what is it, like 86th Street, Casey? Or I guess you wouldn't know. It's up on 86th Street. I live all the way, that's all the way on the Upper East Side. I live all the way on the Lower East Side. I woke up, left the house at 6:30. Well, actually, okay, I was a little late. I left the house at like 6:43-ish. Got on the subway, went to Ulta, walked in at 7:18. 7:18. They open at 7 in the morning. I walked in at 7:18. Only 3 out of 4 palettes were left. And I was like, where's the other one? Because it was just so weird. Because it was so early and I was one of the only people in the store. And they were like, we sold out of it already. I was like, within 18 minutes. And they're like, yeah. So I got the 3. So here we have Bling Boss, Ring the Alarm, and Dark Magic. Okay. Well, I have not opened these. This is what they look like. I'm going to open them now. So here is, oh, Bling Boss. And then we have this one, which is Ring the Alarm. Very pretty. And this one was the one that I have been looking at, had my eye on since the announcement of the launch. And it is called Dark Magic. It's like, obviously, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that this is like gonna be my go-to because there's green in it. So let's get into it. I have just some dimmy wispy eyelashes on and I've already done my makeup for today, but I'm just gonna do like a quick little eye tutorial and I'm gonna take these off. If I look like a raccoon, you're exactly right, because I took this part of my makeup off down here so that I can have fallout and then conceal, because I'm just not the type of person to do my face first and then my eyes last. I'm going to go in with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm going to take this Morphe brush M173. It'll go away. So I'm going to go into one palette that has a color that I'm going to use. It's called Poof, and it's in her Dark Magic palette. I'm just going to use a plain, like, Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to set what I just did. And I'm using that color in that palette because the palette that I'm going to use doesn't have a color that's close to my skin tone to set it with. I didn't even tell you guys what we're using. We are using the Bling Boss palette. We're going to do like a purpley look today. So I'm going to go in with a B Bella RG213 brush. And I'm going to go in with this color Hush Hush right here as a transition shade. Don't mind, I have so much makeup on my hands. Don't even mind it. It's like dark makeup too. So it's like, shows up really well. Alright, so I'm putting it in my crease and then a little bit above my crease, doing windshield wiper motions. I'm really attracted to this color right here called Rockstar. So I'm going to do that, and then I want to put this in the middle. So first we're going to go in with that. Rockstar is just a matte color. And the one that we're going to go in the middle with is called Ballsy. I'm not going to spray any Fix Plus on my brush to make it stick, just because I feel like it's just going to make it like a little too intense and kind of like ruin the color of what it is in the palette. Like I really like the color that is in the palette. Sometimes if you spray Fix Plus or anything on your brush, it'll make it look a little bit darker. If I were like to go out right now, or like be going out to the club or like to a concert or whatever, I would spray Fix Plus on it so that it would stay longer, but I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna take a regular brush. This is a MAC 217S, and I'm just gonna go in with the color. And since I primed my eyes, it should stick just the way I want it to anyways. Now you're gonna go back in with that transition shade. Transition shades are going to be your best friend. That is definitely what you're gonna work with the most. I think it's like the most crucial part of makeup. So once again, I'm gonna go back into Hush Hush. Just blend that bitch out in the crease. Let's see what else we can do. I'm just making this up as I go. Let's do Mystic in the corner to smoke it out a little bit. It's this color right here, a very deep maroon. This has like a tiny bit of orange on it, but I'll use the other side of it, so just ignore it. But this is a Japanese 836. It is the dupe for the MAC 217. And I can't do smoky eyes without either this one or the MAC 217. I cannot do it because they're really good for an outer V. If you notice, I'm not going like super hard on the smoke on the outer V because I don't want to make it like, I don't know, like I'm not, like I said, I'm not going out to like a club or anything like that, so I'm not trying to really like make it super harsh. And then I'm going to go back in with my blending brush, but I'm not going to dip it into anything. I'm literally just going to like blend just a little bit. I'm going to go back into the palette, into this color called Ballsy. See, look at it. It's a very, very pretty purpley champagne-y color. It has some gold tones to it. I'm going to dab it like right in the middle. I'll start. It's not really working out like I wanted it to. I take my finger. Fingers work a lot better for this kind of stuff. Don't know why. Here we go. I'm just gonna do both at the same time. Look at me multitasking like a fool, like a fool. One more time, just because I'm a blend in full, I'm going to go back in with Hush Hush, just a little tiny bit, and just once again blend in that crease. And now I'm going to put lashes on. I'm going to put on some pretty heavy lashes, and I actually don't even know what they're called because I threw away the box. I'm really sorry about it. Yeah, I have no idea where to even begin of what they are, but they're super pretty, super flared out. Actually, I think that they're by Allure. But honestly, I have no idea what they are because I threw away the box. And I keep them in like another box that's unmarked. So I'm really, really sorry. I'm going to put on this mascara, which I've been loving. This is Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. I'm into it. I got it in a BoxyCharm. Lashes and winged eyeliner I cannot do in front of an audience. I just can't do it. So I'm gonna do my concealer again, and then I will be right back. I'm back to being a normal person now with my face, but I am going to go in with back with the Rockstar color, and I'm gonna mix the Mystic color as well. And I'm gonna go in with this like really flat, like stubby brush. I don't know what you would call it. I probably once again got it in a BoxyCharm. And then I'm just gonna run them underneath my lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with, where is it? I'm gonna go in with liquid eyeliner. This is NYX, my favorite one. NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna run it over my lash line just to bind like my lash line and the fake eyelash line together. I would like change my lip, but I don't know, should I? Okay, that's not working. This or olive oil is the best way to get your lipstick off, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this is the completed look. Once again, the palette that I used out of her collection is Bling Boss. The lip that I put on off camera is by Ofra Cosmetics, and it is called Staten Island. I just wanted something like kind of grayish, smoky on the eye. Or, I mean, oh my god, I just wanted something kind of grayish, smoky on the lip because I wanted it to kind of match like what we did in the center of our eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. Overall opinion of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration, the Volt palettes, are that I like them actually. I think that the matte ones are a little bit chalky. I think that they do have a lot of fallout, so you definitely need to like tap on the palette to get that fallout not be on your face. I made that mistake. That's why I had to redo my concealer and everything like that. But other than that, I think that they're really pigmented. I think that Morphe does a great job with their formula. I've always liked their palettes. Everything's good on my part, okay? So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!